we're gonna remove this entire, like, bro, like, what is this? Anyways, so this whole intake setup is from Master of Arts Design. I believe they are a new company. So we're gonna be trying things out. It comes with the full inlet. So I think we have to get rid of, we're able to get rid of this entire portion. All right, you guys can see it much better. A flat is right here. You need to unbolt this, this, this. Total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts all around. And just unloosen this couple, whatever this thing is called. And the 2 bolts that go right here, but be careful, this is your MAF sensor. It's gonna transfer to this. Okay, that bottom piece that was literally just here, it just like pops out of the grommet. You just pop those back in there because we're gonna reuse them. Put these ones on there. I'm gonna try and figure out a way to get rid of the ginormous resonator, because this is too much for an intake. Okay, so we are actually getting rid of this giant thing. This is connected to this pipe, which we won't need. This is connected to this pipe, which we don't need. We don't need to disconnect the evap line because it's before sleeve. And I believe that's it. So we just need to disconnect. See if you guys can just disconnect this part. This whole piece should come off with the tube. Okay guys, just to get rid of literally this whole portion, you just unplug this portion. This piece is gonna go directly down there. That came with this piece. I'm gonna put that down there. It's gonna connect to that pipe. All right guys, we are done. Yeah, I put everything back on. This pipe, the 2 inlets, they're in there pretty secure. Hopefully, honestly, I'm gonna leave it at that. But yeah, Master of Art Design. Yeah, give a couple revs because it's already nighttime. So I'm gonna button everything back up and then yeah, give a couple revs. Honestly, like these double, like, what is this, bruh? This thing's getting thrown away.